Hello and welcome. Now, this is going to be kind of a random video. It's not really a review video. It's a bit of a rambling. Just sharing my opinions on some pens here that I have. These are, in case you haven't heard of them before, they're called like Fisher space pens. They are quite popular. They're not too expensive, I don't think, and the beauty of them is they can write in space. No. They can write in space. I don't think I'd ever get to test that out. But the unique selling point of them is that the actual cartridge is a sealed, pressurized cartridge, where there's some like gloopy kind of ink in the cartridges that helps the pen perform in minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit to plus 250 degrees Fahrenheit. They can perform underwater, in 0G, at any angle, even upside down. I mean, they're just whoever demands reliability in a writing instrument, these are kind of the things you need. I mean, it's raining, okay, pull out your pen, oh, it's smudged, no good. These, you can write in any kind of weather and underwater if you need to, on a fish. But here we go, here's some models. It's probably the cheapest one I have. This is just a space pen Capomatic, I think they call it. Very similar to a ballpoint pen, spring loaded. I will open it up. It's heavier than it looks, actually, because I think it's kind of solid in there. Well, not solid, but it's that whole plastic behind that is metal. This is the cartridge, Boulder City. These replacement cartridges are only about $5 or so. They're not that expensive, and I think you can get them in the UK quite easily as well. But here we go. So we'll just go through some of the features of one of these cartridges. I know it does sound a bit nerdy, but this is a pen video. So on the front you have a ultra hard tungsten carbide ball. Around that area you have a thixotropic ink in a hermetically sealed pressurized reservoir, which helps it write 3 times longer than an ordinary ballpoint. About there you have some kind of sliding float which separates the ink from the pressurized nitrogen gas, which you have about there, and then at the top there you have a gas plug. Yeah. So it's pretty nerdy, you could say, pretty nerdy. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just talk about these knives kind of individually. Okay, so these cartridges, I think, are in all of the pens. So we'll pop that one back in, just screws on, and there you go. One of these set you back about £12–15, something like that. Not too expensive. We'll talk about this one because it just likes to roll away. You can get this with a clip. This is I think it's polished chrome, not brushed chrome, polished. But this is your standard legendary bullet space pen. Pop the cap on, and there you go. It's quite a timeless classic, really. It's got some some grip towards the nib. I'll take it apart. Again, very simple to disassemble, and again we have a normal cartridge in there as well, a space pen cartridge, Fisher space pen cartridge. Okay, so that's just your standard one. I think these go for about anything between 15 and £30. It depends if you like brass, or if you like chrome, or if you like rainbows. Those ones can go for about £30. So that's that one. We'll just put that one there. Wow, remarkable. This one, yeah, probably caught your eye, actually. This one is again a space pen. It is it's a 0.375mm bullet pen with a cartridge case, as you can see. Try and get it to focus. There we go. 375mm. There's the casing. And you've just got like a standard bullet pen. In there is a normal Fisher cartridge. Okay, I love this one. Probably my favourite because it's kind of brass. It does stink. It does leave the smell on your hands. But if you're not too focused on aromas like that, then go for it. But one of these will set you back about 20 to 30 pounds depending. But yeah, that's quite a neat one, that one. And this one, quite heavy. It's on my keychain all the time. Yeah, it's quite heavy for a keychain pen, but if you need a writing tool, it's there, and boy does it perform. I mean, I think this is a Fisher Space Pen Trekker. I think they do a Trekker line. It comes with a split ring that's attached by this piece of plastic. I've had this for over a year and probably 2 years. Never had any problems with it. It deploys like that. It stays in there very securely. That's not going to come off by accident. It's got some rubberized grip there, and inside is a normal Fisher cartridge. Okay, again, very useful, waterproof, right in any angle. It's probably my most useful one out of them all. But yeah, just a quick video really, just to show you these Fisher Space Pens. You know, they are quite kind of high tech. They were supposedly developed when NASA was thinking about going to the moon and just space exploration. And of course they spent a fair bit of money in development for pens that would write in zero-G environments. The Russians, they just use pencils. But there you go. I mean, yeah, you can use a pencil, but if you're into pens, these are excellent writing instruments that will. It's kind of like the G-Shock pens, you could say. That's what I'd like to compare them as. Very reliable, very durable, and they do whatever you kind of ask of them. Very smooth, kind of like a medium ballpoint pen, but with this special goopy ink that I've never had any problems with writing with. Okay, but yeah, there we go. It's just a quick little video, just highlighting these excellent pens. Okay, thanks for watching. Do comment, rate and subscribe, and take care.